Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. Ever wondered if the night sky is more than just stars on a dark canvas? Telescopes are our eyes into the universe, letting us see wonders that are otherwise invisible. Our journey began in the 1600s with simple, handmade telescopes. Pioneers like Galileo and Kepler aimed these early tools at the sky and uncovered secrets about planets and moons we'd never known before. Today, telescopes have become powerful marvels, capturing stunning images of galaxies and nebulae from observatories on Earth. But things get even more exciting with space telescopes. Take Hubble, for example. Launched in 1990, it was supposed to be our clearest eye in the sky. But there was a problem. It was nearsighted. So NASA sent astronauts to give Hubble glasses, corrective mirrors that fixed its vision. And after that, it showed us the universe like never before. Then there's the James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced telescope we've ever built. It's looking deeper than Hubble ever could, seeing the early days of stars and galaxies, uncovering parts of the universe we've only dreamed about. From massive observatories to telescopes small enough for stargazers to hold, these instruments open up the cosmos to everyone. Every time we peer through one, we're exploring new planets, discovering distant galaxies, and unlocking mysteries that make us wonder about our place in the universe. So next time you look up, remember, the universe is waiting to be explored, and with telescopes, we're uncovering its secrets one look at a time. Keep looking up. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.